Look, every Nigerian in your DMs is talking about this. Your friends are asking you to invest and you are tired of seeing everyone else get rich from it. But I am here to tell you something you need to hear. That stuff, it's a complete waste of time. I know because I wasted my time on it. I spent months watching tutorials from gurus with fancy supercars who promised to make me a millionaire. I stayed up all night, blew all my demo accounts, and eventually blew my last 70,000 naira on a single trade. It was a brutal wake-up call. I realized these guys don't make their money from trading. They make their money from selling you a dream. They buy flashy supercars, film a few videos about their success, and sell masterclass courses to tens of thousands of people just like you. That's how they stay rich, and that's the harsh truth nobody talks about. If you are a young Nigerian trying to make it, you are looking for a way to get rich quick, but Forex isn't it. It's a business that requires time, huge capital, and a stable source of income you can burn for years. So if that's a dead end, what's a real way to build something? For me, the answer was always right in front of me: YouTube. I was a 200 level student already making videos, and I finally realized that school was just another type of scam, gambling my future on the promise of a certificate. I quit school, decided to go all in, and became a full-time YouTuber. I found out that unlike Forex, YouTube is free to start. I didn't need to watch endless tutorials. I just needed to start filming with my phone and post it online. I didn't need to burn cash. I was building something from scratch. I have been building a community of young Nigerians who are building their dreams from nothing. By the way, if that's you, hit that subscribe button right now. Here is the real way to make money online with YouTube. 1. You can literally be in your room making videos that provide value to others, and once you hit 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you for it. 2. You can create a small course about something you are good at, like video editing or filmmaking, and sell it directly to your audience. 3. You can get paid by brands to promote products that you already use. With YouTube, the opportunities are endless. Just like everything we're doing in life, it takes time to build an audience. But at the end of the day, starting a YouTube channel will be the best decision you ever made in your life. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a build a real-life strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video right here. Always remember, your dream life is closer than you think, but no one is coming to give it to you. You've got to go get it. I found out that unlike Forex, X, like ex-girlfriend, Forex. I found out that unlike Forex, Jesus Christ, help me. I found that I cut.